Hi guys and ladies, I'm here at the start of the hiking at the Barranco de Arura to go to the waterfall south of the Lagua and the waterfall Arura, Cascada de Arura. I'm starting the hiking. The trail is a bit dangerous. Well, and the whole lady described it to me like many people fall down. Of course, let's be careful. Watch our steps. So many cactuses there are around here. Hola, hello. Aquí. And 1, and 2, and 3. Let's see. Okay. So far, there is no stream over here, but there is a pipe, a rubber and metal pipe. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Let's watch our steps. Okay, I see us all the way around. Yeah. One, two, three. Yeah. Let's continue. So far there is chilly hiking, nothing complicated, but always be careful with the cactus. Don't get punched, because it can hurt. I heard some animals chirping, actually birds. Let's see, some shadow, at least. Not all the time. I'm not all the time exposed to the sun. Hello, hola. Hola. Have you been to the waterfalls?
Yes.
Do you have an idea more or less how far it is?
Oh, German.
2 Kilometer,
Ja.
3.
Ja, okay. Hier runter.
Ja, okay.
Hier.
Schönes Tag.
Auch so.
Dankeschön.
Danke. Vielen Dank.
Auf Wiedersehen. Oh, no. This way. War hier? Oh.
Ja.
Okay, wrong way. Dankeschön. Uno. Yeah, I thought that the other way was going all around, but it doesn't. And the lady is German and she doesn't speak English, so okay, I try to be polite and not to insist by asking information with my rusty German. Right. Wow! Oh, what a panorama! Let's see. Ooh la la! I feel blessed. And I feel that let's show my gratitude to the nature. Barranco. Barranco means cliff in English. Looks like it's up a hill, up the hill. There's a legend over there. Let's be careful. Aquí? Oh yeah. No. The arrow says there. Over here. And now what? That's strange. I'm walking up upward, but shouldn't be this an hour. Should pick up the other phone, because I'm a bit confused now. Aha. Okay, now the arrow coming from here, the arrow says up there. Makes sense, perhaps. Alright. I'm see the perspective of the trail. Yeah, should be that one, actually. Let's be careful, there are many scramble stones. Let's remember we have also 2 hands, not just 2 feet. When you don't feel enough equilibrium, then you need to use your hands. Yeah, indeed, it's this one. I don't want to use all the time the map, the app in the app. I try to get emancipated. Okay. For sure, I should see, sooner or later I should see a shadow with the area, with greenish area where the stream is. Those. Okay, that's the legend. Long life to the cactuses. One and two. All right. So here I'm in the interesting path over the stream, waterfall. There is a way going up, but I think that it's better. It's at the bottom. It's supposed to go at the bottom, but I need to be careful now. I will do one step back. That should be the correct order. This. And let's see. There was before an old lady, around 60 years old. She was concerned about whether my camera was on. In that moment my camera was off, was not recording. And I asked her if it continues the the trail or not. You see, it's a bit slippery here. I think it's gonna be a dirty job here, actually. One, two, and three. Safety first. Safety is never enough when you are walking through this, because it can be swampy and it's a fuck up. Rock is down. Let's grab it. Only someone who had an accident can understand that safety is never enough. Usually, who never had an accident, like I had in the hip, he tends to underestimate the risk, because he was always confident. He did that with high confidence, but at the end something happened. Okay, I get a course. Right, here I am. I need to go step by step. Whoa. Here I am. Okay. Ma che bello! Wow! What a nice stream! You know? I guess continue the other roads. Last year. I'm just over the climbing up by a rope, and now it's becoming the wild part of the trail. There is no danger of snakes here, unlike when I was in the Philippines. Maybe this way I can wash my shoes. All right. Okay. Ai ai ai. So, and this is the first target destination. There is the main water stream with a pool, or one can even swim here. And this is the background behind me from where I came. And here I am. And now I have arrived at the Cascada de Bermeja waterfalls. This is the second last waterfalls. There is one more, a little bit at an upper level. Let's see. Meanwhile, I will chill out a bit. And finally, I arrived at Cascada de Arura waterfalls. Let's finish off. 1, 2, 3. I think here should be okay. Oh, yeah, we are. I can really chill out here and then hike back. That's a nice shape.